Hi guys, I'm going to show you a few tips on Notability. So this is your government workbook, Bill of Rights Amendments 1 through 4, just as an example. On the top right hand corner you'll find these sets of pages over here. If you click on that, it'll open up a series of pages that you can navigate to. So if you're looking for activity number 6, you can scroll a little bit faster down through here to find the page number, say 18, and there you have it. Okay? Now you can add bookmarks with this and notes as well, but a better tool for you might be the magnifying glass. If you click that, you can do a search. Let's say you have a long prompt for me or for any other class. You're looking for a specific word. This will help you out and highlight all those words that you're looking for. Okay, let's look at the wrench in the top right. This can allow you to change the paper to something prettier if you want, and change the lines, make it a graph paper. It won't do it to mine right now, but it might to yours on a blank paper on Notability. Okay, let's actually go back to white there. The plus sign will have you add a photo, a GIF, or add a special figure like a square, anything like that. The microphone in the middle, once you click that, you'll have to, it'll probably prompt you for access on your settings, which you can change. It'll tell you, it'll give you directions on how to enable this. But all it does is it makes a recording and it'll save it to the file on Notability. So you can play it as if you wanted to read yourself a note on this workbook. You can save it there. But I don't really see a purpose in that for you, so we'll skip that. Let's look at the hand over here. If you have the hand selected, this just allows you to navigate with your finger like I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm going to exit out of these pages. Just to navigate up and down the pages, and that's all it does. Okay, if you want to copy and paste something, you hit the scissors, and with a stylus or an eye pencil, you just make a big box, okay, and hit copy, hit someplace else, and then paste. And that's how you copy something from Notability. We'll delete that. Okay, let's look on over the left here at the T for text box. Okay, so down here you've got the activity number 4. You want to type out your answer. It creates a text box for you. Okay, so you can write, and on the top of this bar you can pick your type of text that you want to use. The text size can be changed. The underline can happen. Okay, so that's that. Now, if you want to write, like I would on Notability, you hit the pencil, okay, and this allows you to write. If you hold down on the pencil, you can increase the size of the ink there, and one of these is a sensitivity-driven line that the longer you hold it in, the more it'll kind of blot there. But we don't need to get into that, and you can pick different colors. One important thing with a pencil is if you are taking notes, and this is the best way I would do it, beyond just using a text box, is to hit the magnifying glass down on the bottom. So you have your pencil selected, and you hit the magnifying glass on the bottom right of your screen. So once you select that, you can use your finger to kind of drag this box where you need to drag it under this question here. And on the bottom, you can write really big, and it'll appear very small in that box wherever you put it. Okay, and if you keep on writing, the box will move with you. Okay, so that's a very, very useful tool for note-taking. The middle tool is a highlighter. You can choose your color on the highlighter. Let me get out of this box by hitting the magnifying glass. Okay, and so may be useful in your notes if you want to highlight something. This is your eraser. Just click on what you want to erase, and it's erased. This reverse button in the middle allows you to go back. And we'll do one more thing. On the left-hand side, you'll find this arrow. You click the arrow. And this opens up your files in Notability. So I've got 68 random files here. And you can create folders. This is good for you. So hit the plus button on the left. And, you can create dividers if you want to further divide things up. But maybe you just need to create subjects. So just create the subjects that you have for my class, like type in government class, and maybe your science class, or, well, you would have English, and you would have math, and you would have your program. So it might be useful to put all those in their own folder. And then once you have that there, mine already exists, I already have government here. Okay. So once that exists, then you take the file that you want, hold it, and drag it into the folder that you need. So I'll just drag this file into the government folder, and now it's in there. And this is going to best organize your Notability documents. Okay?